Library. Okay. What do I do?
Yeah! See, she screams too! I'm so proud of you! Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do
What do I do?
I don't know!
Do I go? I don't want to go in, bro. Like,
Turn your night vision on. Now, is that a bad guy or is it a dead person?
I think it was a dead person.
What's that? Is that another dead person hanging? I think they're just dead people. I don't... Oh, wow, you zoom in. Well, he's not gonna hurt us.
He's decapitated.
He's a little, headless. So I think we'll be fine.
Sounds like he lost his mind.
We have storms. That freaking scared the hell out of me. It scared us too.
I like threw my headphones.
Oh my god, please tell me someone made a gif of that. Yeah, Hike. We'll definitely highlight that, I promise. I would like to see that again too.
Okay. Okay, if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just balls to the wall. Oh, there's heads on there. Are those where their heads are? Oh, that's
There's
freaky.
a lot more bodies that we're missing.
You're right. We only found 2 bodies. So there are probably more hanging up around here.
Oh,
Well, that's
Found her.
creepy.
or him. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Well, now we know what that bumpy thing was.
Ew.
Oh, there's another
They
one.
eat them?
Maybe.
Well, it was
I
next
don't
to
know.
some
It was next to like a Coca-Cola. Wow.
Wow. That's a lot of heads.
Can I leave now?
They killed us.
Who's saying that?
The variants. You can't fight them. You have to hide.
My battery!
You can unlock the main doors from security control.
We have another battery. I think we'll be fine.
You have to get the fuck out of this terrible place.
Wow.
Okay, I'm cool with that. Let's
Yeah,
go.
he was a nice guy. He was nice.
I'm cool with that.
I
Let's
wish
go.
he was like whispered like, hello, don't freak out, but I'm actually alive. Instead of like, hello! Freak the crap out of me.